you're looking for the best 4K drone for stunning aerial photography, smooth flight performance, and beginner-friendly controls, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026, covering features, performance, pros, cons, and which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start with the best. Number 1. N11 PRO Professional 4K Drone. This is the best overall drone on our list thanks to its extremely long flight time and professional-level features. The N11 PRO offers a 4K camera with GPS FPV technology and an impressive 90-minute flight time, which is far longer than most drones in this category. It features smart auto return, follow-me tracking, extended control range, and 5G HD live transmission. The brushless motor provides strong performance and stable flight, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Its long battery life makes it ideal for extended aerial photography sessions. Pros: massive 90-minute flight time, extended control range, stable brushless motors, smart tracking and auto return. Great for professional use. Cons: larger size reduces portability, higher price than entry-level models. Professionals and users wanting maximum flight time and performance. Number 2. Holystone HS710 4K Drone. A reliable and beginner-friendly drone with excellent stability and easy controls. The HS710 features a foldable design, 4K camera, brushless motors, and optical flow positioning for steady hovering. GPS-assisted flight provides auto return home, follow me, and stable navigation. It's very easy to control, making it perfect for first-time drone users, while still offering solid performance. Pros: easy to fly for beginners, stable GPS flight system, foldable and portable design, durable build quality, good safety features. Cons: basic camera stabilization, not ideal for professional filming. Beginners wanting reliability and simple controls. Number 3. Holystone HS720E 4K Drone. A well-balanced mid-range drone offering great performance and long flight time. The HS720E records 4K video at 30 FPS with electronic image stabilization and 130-degree wide-angle lens. It includes 2 batteries providing up to 46 minutes of total flight time. With 5G FPV transmission, GPS auto return, and strong brushless motors, it delivers smooth performance and excellent build quality. Pros: long 46-minute flight time, smooth stabilized footage, strong and durable design, reliable GPS safety features, great value for money. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, slightly heavier than entry models. Users wanting balanced performance and longer flight sessions. Number 4. GPS Drone with 4K Ultra HD Camera, 3-axis gimbal. This drone stands out for its superior video stabilization. It features a 3-axis gimbal that delivers smoother and more professional-looking footage. With a control range of around 1,640 feet, it's ideal for outdoor photography and travel use. It also includes auto return home, follow me, app control, and GPS tracking for reliable performance. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smooth 4K video quality, long control range, good for photography, easy controls. Cons: average battery life, slightly higher price for features. Content creators focused on video quality. Number 5. SIMREX GPS Drone with 4K Camera. A great entry-level option for beginners on a budget. The SIMREX GPS drone offers a 4K camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and brushless motors. It includes altitude hold, optical flow positioning, gesture control, follow me, and waypoint flight. The foldable design makes it portable, and flight control is beginner-friendly, though camera stabilization is more basic. Pros: budget-friendly price, lightweight and foldable, beginner-friendly controls, GPS auto return, smart flight features. Cons: basic camera stabilization, limited range, casual users and first-time drone buyers. So that was our list of the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, go with the N11 Pro. For beginners, the Holy Stone HS710 is a great choice. And for balanced performance and value, the HS720E is hard to beat. Check the links in the description for pricing and details. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.